All right, Dow Jones, pretty much you see we've talked about in this trading channel, which can be traded and got up. I wasn't expecting things to go straight up or straight down, so you already start seeing the people with their talk starting to short, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, God, you just don't learn. But at the end of the day, you look at the weekly, um, we're in the middle of this trading channel, so at the end of the day, I think that we had a very, very, very powerful move over the last week due to outside factors, and we just want to see some more follow through to the upside. I am looking more for bullish setups than anything else, and I think you should too. Dow Jones, like I said, nothing has pretty much changed regarding that. We got the composite. Composite still showing strength. I think it just needs a little rest, quite honestly, but you had a lot of names in the composite that did really well. Apple continuing to move to the upsides, finished strong, 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 strong day. Now it's just to look for a pullback to get back to the long side. Google, a little bit of rest, could just be flagging, but this is the line in sand for me is a low of 974. But until then, look at this weekly candle. I mean, hey, it really crushed at that time. You got Netflix. Netflix continued to the upside. You got Amazon. Right now, it's just same thing as in Google. Just need a little rest, but it looks to be getting above. If it gets above this 331.89, it also looks good to the upside. Let's look at the other indexes. I don't want to get too far off. So the Russell 2000, just giving you a little break today. Again, you had 3 strong days up, a little bit of rest, and let's see where we go from there. But everything else is just looking for calculated high probability trades. S&P 500. S&P 500, again, same thing. Still looking awesome. Just again, you just want to make sure that you just want a little pullback or something like that to get you in. It's not a matter of, it's just not a matter of, I don't see why people get, so excited over things. One thing that did look weak today was actually Tesla. Tesla giving you a lower high here and a strong candle right here. So I thought might be flagging because I was looking at it for above this 188.79, but it didn't. So that's why I try to make sure that I'm breaking out at least something, because I thought this was just a little flag, but it broke down today. So if you're in that looks to be good. Price line crushed it today, up almost 4%. That's a lot for this stock. I mean, it's $1,000 stock. So right now, if you are in, congratulations. That one looks good as well. A couple names that I was looking at, but because of earnings, I'm not gonna play them yet. But I was looking at New Skin. That one is setting up. I was looking at FLT. Was it? No, not FLT. FTI. FTI I was looking at, but it ended up not breaking above this previous high. So that one, Coors, is continuing to the upside. That one looks good. Let me see what else I had on here. I had BIBB. This one, Biogen, looks like it could be flagging. A couple of other names were actually breaking to the downside, so we just got to be careful with that. Chipotle, same thing as in Google. Facebook, just need a little rest, so now I'm just waiting to see I get a calculated pullback and stuff like that. If you took the long from here, congratulations. Maybe you pull some profit. Maybe you got stopped out based on the low, but don't give those profit back. You just don't want to do that. Johnson & Johnson looks like it could just be flagging for more upside. Weekly, you could, if you drew this line like this, you could say that it broke out. So now it's, it just needs to continue. So, and that looks, to me, it's just flagging for some more upside. I posted this on Twitter, actually. Follow me at MaximusAnalysis. And I posted that above 92, this definitely looks like it could be another go. Disney is one that I'm in. Was actually playing it based on the weekly. I did see that it's been testing this level, so it could be major resistance, but I figured that it's hit it 1, 2, 3, and now it's the 4th. So gonna see how far this one could go. Who else? Yelp. Actually, I was looking at this one as well. I didn't see any options that I liked in the morning, but this is actually the one you hate to happen to you. So, well, I hate. You do want your 1%, but I usually get stopped out for less than 1% because of just my, it typically doesn't do this and then engulfs the entire thing. So that could be a little bit annoying. AMBA, that one's giving me a little love. Nothing crazy. It is up about almost 3%, so that's pretty good. Starbucks, let's see how that one ended up. So I'm going to roll my stop up. I didn't roll it up for this little candle. I'll roll it up a little bit for this, and we'll see how that one goes. I am in this trade. So we'll see how that one goes. And there's a couple different names that we'll be looking at. And yeah, and there's a couple different names we'll be looking at. And I'll post some as well. There was, let me see if there's another one. Maximus, hey, how about that? This one looks like I didn't even get into it, but I should have gotten into it just from principle alone. So this one looks good, and I saw a couple of I got a couple of emails, so you can email me at maximusanalysis@gmail.com, and I have some chart requests that I have to put on after this that people are asking me about. So with further ado, I'm going to get this one taken care of. Las Vegas Sand, I'm sorry, I'm a little addicted. Dunkin' Donuts, keep this one on your watch list. This one is continuing to ride up high. Donuts paid big business, right? So Jazz, actually, I was looking, I told you this was one that broke down. Coors was the other one that looked like it is definitely going up. Keep this on your watch list. CBOE. Keep that one on your watch list. It could be coming back to at least test this 51 area. So just keep it on your watch list. Remember to always look at the earnings. Always look at the earnings. So, because if you want to play it to the earnings, just know when it is. Because if you become oblivious to earnings and you're just trading without doing any type of homework like that, that's how you really get caught. So, with that being said, I'm gonna do another video for these chart requests. And if you like what you see, please subscribe. Please comment if there's something that you have a question regarding. It could be, why or what to look for, or I will answer the questions in the following videos. I really enjoy this, and I hope you guys are enjoying it as well. So take care, and remember to react, not predict.